dear learners. Today I am going to tell about the structure of insect head. As you know, insect body is differentiated into three distinct groups called head, thorax and abdomen. This grouping of body segments into distinct regions is known as tagmosis, and the body regions are called tagmata. The first anterior tagma formed by the fusion of 6 segments of embryonic origins. These are labral, antennal, intercalary, mandibular, maxillary and labial. The insect head bears some sutures and some sclerites. Actually, sclerites are the small plates of chitinous exoskeleton. As you see in the figure, there are different colors which denotes different sclerite regions. First one is the vertex and summit of the head between the compound eyes. Then one frons, facial area below the vertex and above the clypeus. And third one is the clypeus, that is cranial area below the fons to which labrum is attached. Next comes gena, lateral cranial area behind the compound eyes. Then occiput, cranial area between the occipital and post-occipital sutures. And these are the sutures. Actually, these are the linear invaginations of the exoskeleton between two sclerites are called suture. Important sutures are shown in the figure. Epicranial sutures, that is ecdysial line, there are Y-shaped structures found medially on the top of the head with the median sutures. And second one is the epistomal sutures, or called frontoclypeal suture, found between fons and clypeus. Third one is the clypeolabral sutures, found between clypeus and labrum, that is upper lip. And the post-occipital sutures grouped bordering occipital foramen, line indicating the fusions of maxillary and labial segments. Two more important structures are here: occipital foramen, that is a posterior opening of the cranium through which aorta, foregut, ventral nerve cord and neck muscles passes, is known as occipital foramen. The endoskeletal structures underneath the cuticle that provides space for the attachment of the muscles of antenna and mouth parts are called tentorium, which is important features of insect head. And this photograph actually shows different sclerites and sutures. This one also help you to identify the regions of different zones and sutures. Based on the inclinations of long axis of the head and orientation of mouth parts, insect's head are of 3 types. First one is hypognathous. Hypo means below and gnathous means jaw. This type is called orthopteroid type, as it is found in orthopteran insects. The long axis of the head is vertical. It is at right angles to the long axis of the body, and mouth parts are ventrally placed and project downwards. Second one is the prognathous. Pro means infant and gnathous means jaw. This type is also called coleopteroid type, as it is found in coleopteran insect. The long axis of the head is horizontal. It is in line with long axis of the body and mouth parts are directed forward. It is found in some ground beetles. Third one is the opisthognathous head. Opistho means behind and gnathous means jaw. This type is also called hemipteroid type of Opisthodorhynchus. Head is deflexed, mouth parts are directed backwards and held in between forelegs, and it is found in stink bug. Now let's see what are the functions of head. Number 1, it helps in food ingestions. It possesses some sensory structures that perform sensory perceptions, coordinations of the bodily activities, and also protections of the coordinating centers. This is all about the structure of insect head.